Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G30 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on advanced and try to localize the backup. Let's tap. Here we have to simply tap on add account. Of course, if you've got your Google accounts currently added to the device, you will be able to simply choose it from this list. What I wanted to say is that you have to have the internet connection. Make sure that you've got one because it is required for this operation. Here in this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone if you've got one. So let me quickly do it and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it and there you've got the info, and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the information about the backup, so you're able to use 15 GB of the Google account to back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically, store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on turn on to finish. And another backup section where you can check how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage, for example, remove some unnecessary files. Here the backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up. Advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off, so you will be sure that you will not access, for example, your limit of the mobile data. And to finish everything, tap on backup now. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.